Hey everyone, Mike here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a software solution for all you WhatsApp users out there. It's called iToolab WatsGo, and it promises to make transferring your WhatsApp data between phones a breeze. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. What is iToolab WatsGo? Before we jump into the features, let's talk about what WatsGo actually is. It's a dedicated data transfer tool designed specifically for WhatsApp. Whether you're switching phones, backing up your chats, or even migrating between iOS and Android, WatsGo aims to simplify the process. Alright, so what can WatsGo actually do? Here are some of its key functionalities. Complete WhatsApp transfer. Transfer your entire WhatsApp history, including chats, media, photos, videos, voice messages, contacts, and call logs. Flexible transfer options. Choose to transfer between iOS devices, Android devices, or even cross-platform between iOS and Android. Selective transfer. If you don't want to transfer everything, WatsGo allows you to selectively choose specific chats, contacts, or media files. Encryption and security. This is a big one. WatsGo prioritizes security by encrypting your data transfer, ensuring your privacy is protected. Easy-to-use interface. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it user-friendly even for non-tech-savvy folks. With WatsGo Secure Data Transfer, you don't have to worry about any of your data being left behind. Unlike Move to iOS, it doesn't even require you to factory reset your iPhone. Whether you're transferring data from WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business, you can enjoy complete peace of mind knowing that everything will be moved across in its entirety in just 3 simple steps. Now, let's put WatsGo to the test. Here's a detailed walkthrough of the transfer process. We'll start by downloading the iToolab WatsGo software onto your computer. Head over to the iToolab website to get the latest version. Check the description for the link. Grab both your old and new phones and connect them to your computer using USB cables. WatsGo will automatically detect the connected devices. For the reference, I am using my Android mobile and tab. But you can definitely make the operation between Android to iPhone. Processor same. On the software interface, you'll see your phones displayed. Clearly identify which phone holds your current WhatsApp data, source, and which is the new phone, destination. If you don't want to transfer everything, here's where the selective transfer option comes in handy. Click on Transfer Details and choose the specific chats, contacts, or media files you want to migrate. Once you're happy with the selection, or if you're transferring everything, simply click the big Transfer button. WatsGo will take care of the rest. A progress bar will keep you updated on the transfer status. Before starting the transfer, make sure both your phones are compatible with the software. You can find this information on the iToolab WatsGo website. While WatsGo prioritizes security, it's always a good practice to back up your phone's data using the manufacturer's recommended methods before any significant transfer. For a smooth and error-free transfer, make sure your computer has a stable internet connection throughout the process. If you're looking for a way to streamline your WhatsApp data transfer, check out iToolab WatsGo. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the software, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.